Hello, what is up guys? Jupiter908 here. I'm going to show you the different types of locks. And the first padlock kind I'm going to show you is one of the regular key padlocks. Now, as I don't have a real one with me, I got this very small one instead. And if you look, I'm just trying to find the key. As you can see here, there's a very small keyhole in here, and just slot that in. Sorry, excuse me. It opens, and lock it. You go do this. You go push it. I mean, as a regular padlock can. However, if you unlock it again, I mean, you can also incorrectly push it back into place. Therefore, yeah, you can sometimes not put it in the hole. It's got a different mechanism. But anyway, there we go. It's all locked. Next up, we have a padlock, and this one is a travel padlock, and it's got a key. As you can see, it's got a key, and so this means that any an airport security member can actually unlock this key without ever having to without having to unlock it using the codes. It's also got this badge. I just got it from a supermarket, I mean, like a couple of years ago. And so, you know, this is how you unlock it. Sorry if it's blood. But I have changed the code on it anyway. Just like that. It's that simple. And to set it, you just gotta press it in. It's gotta be 90 degrees clockwise. Go press it in and turn it 90 degrees again. So that'll push that down, then you can change the codes. Let's say 000. And now Padlock will unlock to that code. Anyway, that's it for that padlock. And the third one I got is a very big padlock. And it's one I got from I think it was supposed to be a toy, but it's actually a very metallic lock with real metal. And it's locked. And you'll see there is one keyhole. This is a puzzle key lock. This will trick you. You just gotta put it in. It won't budge. But that's because there's another thing to it. If you press that button, this will open. And this actually opens the key. And just, you gotta slide that in. So that, if you want to see the pop in action again, here it is. Sorry. So it's hard to do this on camera. There we go. That's how you do it with this padlock. The false padlock we have on this video is this type of padlock. It's a very unusual one, but you just press that in and it unlocks. Anyway, to set the code, you gotta push this in with a pencil, that black dot with a pencil, and you can change the codes. But it has to be at the right codes, otherwise somebody could possibly break in. And you just gotta set the codes. I mean, so same as the travel padlock. You just unlock it. like, you gotta push that in. And yeah, that's how it unlocks. So if you want to change the code, or go and get out a pencil. You can just press in that black dot. Change the code. Let's do 000. And there we are. And it's still unlocked. Yeah, just that there. And the final padlock we have is this. The dial padlock. This is made by Master. And it's got Master Lock already engraved on there. And I don't know if you can read it, but it says hardened. Anyway, the code for this padlock, I rarely use it. Sorry, I should say I don't use it at all. Because, yeah, you gotta match the numbers to this arrow. And then you're unlocked. However, if you don't, then this is pretty loose. However, if you put it back in, it will remain locked until you input the code again. Even though it's at the same code. How does it work? I'm not sure. Anyway, this is it basically. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it did. I really hope it did change anything. Otherwise, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. See you.